Let's learn about members and access in EZO. You can create members, roles, and user scopes for all your users in the system. In order to get started, go to the Members and Access section from here. You will be redirected to the members listing page. Here you will see a list of all created members in the system. Let's start by creating a new member. To create a new member, click Add Member on the top right side. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter all relevant details required to create the member. Once you have added all the details, hit Update and complete the process to create the member. For larger teams, you can also add multiple members at once to save time. Have your user base uploaded somewhere else? No problem. You can also sync with identity management platforms such as Google Workspace or import members from Excel directly into EZO. Let's move on to roles. You can set up roles to assign to your team members for better collaboration. On the roles listing page, get started by creating a new role. Select a name for the role, set the scope, and then review permissions you want to set for the role. Enabling a scope requires you to choose access. For example, here we can choose scope for groups, locations, and other teams. Next, select a base role. These include admin, staff user, and requester. Permissions for base roles are set by default in EZO. However, you can edit them for the modules you like. In the next step, choose all the permissions you want to set for the role. After you have entered the details for your role, click Create, Add it to the system. Next, let's explore user scope in EZO. On the listings page, you can view already created user scopes. Let's explore what a user scope looks like. You can also create a new one as per your requirements. On the user scope details page, you can view all permissions for the user scope are visible in these tabs. You can view existing users assigned to a user scope under the Users tab. Add or remove users as required. Groups can also be added to the user scope listing. Add or remove groups part of the user scope. To finalize the user scope, you can fine-tune access controls and permissions for the users added.